Welcome to our Dream Home Talk. Today we're diving into the world of rustic decor with modern touches in the kitchen. This style blends the cozy, natural elements of rustic design with the sleek, clean lines of modern decor, creating a space that's both inviting and stylish. Let's explore how you can transform your kitchen with this beautiful combination. First, let's talk about the color palette. Rustic kitchens often feature earthy tones like browns, beiges, and greens. To introduce a modern touch, incorporate neutral colors like white, gray, and black. These contrasting colors will create a balanced and contemporary look. Next, consider your cabinetry. For a rustic feel, opt for wooden cabinets with a natural or distressed finish. To add a modern twist, choose cabinets with simple, clean lines and minimal hardware. Open shelving made from reclaimed wood can also enhance the rustic charm while keeping the look modern and airy. Countertops are another key element. Rustic kitchens typically feature natural materials like wood or stone. To modernize your countertops, consider using materials like quartz or concrete. These surfaces are not only durable, but also provide a sleek and contemporary feel. Let's move on to the backsplash. A rustic backsplash might include materials like brick, stone, or tile in earthy tones. To add a modern touch, use subway tiles or tiles with geometric patterns. The combination of rustic materials and modern patterns will create a visually interesting focal point. Lighting is crucial in achieving the rustic modern look. Rustic lighting often includes fixtures made from wood, iron, or copper. To add a modern touch, choose lighting with clean lines and a minimalist design. Pendant lights with exposed bulbs or industrial-style fixtures can perfectly blend both styles. Now let's talk about the flooring. Rustic kitchens often feature hardwood or stone floors. To add a modern touch, consider using wide plank flooring or polished concrete. If you prefer a softer feel underfoot, add a rug with a geometric pattern or bold colors to introduce a modern element. Furniture choices can greatly impact the overall aesthetic. For a rustic look, choose wooden tables and chairs with a natural finish. To modernize the space, opt for furniture with sleek lines and metal accents. A wooden dining table paired with metal chairs or a bench can beautifully combine both styles. Accessorizing is where you can really let your personality shine. For a rustic feel, incorporate elements like woven baskets, vintage kitchenware, and natural textiles like linen or burlap. To add a modern touch, include sleek, contemporary accessories such as stainless steel appliances, modern art pieces, or geometric vases. Mixing these elements will create a cohesive and dynamic look. Don't forget about your kitchen island. A rustic modern kitchen island might feature a wooden or stone top with a clean line base. Add modern bar stools with metal or acrylic finishes to complete the look. Open shelving or built-in storage can enhance the functionality and style of your island. Wall treatments can also enhance the rustic modern aesthetic. Consider using shiplap or reclaimed wood for an accent wall to bring in rustic charm. To modernize the look, keep the other walls simple and clean with a neutral paint color, or even a bold modern wallpaper. Now let's focus on the small details. Rustic decor often includes handcrafted or vintage items, like ceramic pitchers, wooden cutting boards, and mason jar storage. To add a modern touch, use sleek, contemporary items like stainless steel canisters, modern kitchen gadgets, or a minimalist knife block. The blend of rustic and modern elements will create a unique and inviting kitchen space. Lastly, let's talk about bringing nature indoors. Rustic decor often incorporates natural elements like plants or fresh herbs. To add a modern touch, use sleek planters or geometric terrariums. Hanging a vertical herb garden or placing potted plants on open shelves can add both beauty and functionality to your kitchen. By thoughtfully combining rustic elements with modern touches, you can create a kitchen that is both warm and sophisticated. This blend of styles is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly inviting and functional. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and inspiration. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.